Hello, this is Henry Cheng. This is my art of life. 好啦，
I would like to share this artwork with everyone.
呢張作品呢
You can see the frame I used here is for a typical Western painting.
西洋嘅架，將
Yet the picture inside is a traditional Chinese landscape painting.
另外呢，特別嘅地方呢
This work
就係
incorporated the idea
中
of
西合璧。
East meets
首先
West.
係個
First,
畫
the
嘅
frame
框
suggests the Western influence.
東方嘅講
The
呢，
painting inside
呢張作品
used the traditional Chinese painting
另外呢
method.
個框就係西方嘅畫。
Now
咁我哋
let's look
嚟睇下
at the
呢張畫就係
composition
點樣
of
構
this
圖先。
painting and see how I further
我就
incorporate the
最
idea
緊要
of
一樣
East
嘅
meets
嘢呢，就
West.
係顯現出一個東西一齊嘅感覺。
At first glance, you will see a mountain in the middle of this
呢張畫
painting.
嘅中間呢，你會見到
It is typical
離遠睇
for a
離遠
Chinese
睇
landscape painting to have a focal point of
有一個
mountains
大
and
山喺度。
ridges. But
咁
here,
呢個大山
if you
裏邊
pay
呢，冇乜
closer
出奇啊，
attention
咁
to
有
this
大山
mountain
咁
range,
咁通常啲人寫
you
畫
can
都寫
see
個山喺度啦。
the
咁其實呢個
outline
山
of an eagle.
嘅山勢呢，你精細啲少少去睇下呢，呢一隻係一隻大嘅麻鷹，大嘅鷹嚟嘅。咁我哋睇咗呢一
Here
呢一部分
is
先
the
嚇。
outside
咁呢
of
個部分
one
呢，
of the
就係個
wings.
大麻鷹嘅翼出邊睇入去。
This is the
呢邊
inside
睇
of
過去
the
呢，
other
呢
wing.
一邊呢，就
My
係個大麻
choice
鷹
of
嘅翼
lighter
喺
ink
裏邊。
for
我
the
用
inside
淺色少
of
少
one
去分
wing
別
and darker
出
ink
邊
for
同
the
埋裏
outside
邊。
of the other wing
咁然
adds
後
to
我哋
the
再
real
上少
sum.
少睇下先。呢一個呢，我
A
就
little
畫咗
higher,
個
I
鷹
painted
嘅
the
頭
head
喺度，
of the eagle,
大鷹。
the
然後呢，
dot for
呢一
its
點
eye,
呢，就係個鷹隻眼。
and here is its peak.
呢一個呢，就係鷹，一個大麻鷹嘅嘴。
Above
再
its
上邊
head,
呢，
I
我設
designed
計咗
an
一
ancient
個
temple
古字
sitting
喺度，
at
古字
the
呢，
highest
大嘅
point
古
of the
廟喺
peak.
上邊好最高嗰度啊。咁
At the
然後
bottom,
呢，喺
I
下邊呢，
painted
我
a
就
couple
用
of
咗
cliffs
幾個
for
呢
the
個
eagle's
呢個
feet
懸崖，
and
做
claws.
咗一隻腳同埋個爪。
Now
咁
let's
我
step
哋
back
再留
and
心
look
睇
at
一
this
次呢
again.
張畫。
From a
喺遠
distance,
些少
you'll
睇
see
呢，
a
咁我哋
mountain,
就見到
but when you look
個
closer, you
呢
can
個
see the
山
entire
勢喺度。
eagle.
然再精細啲去睇呢，我哋就見到原來呢一隻係一個大嘅麻鷹喎。
My choice
點
of
解我
using
咁
an
做呢？
eagle to
因為我嚟
represent
到
the West reflects my history
美國
of immigrating to
美
the
國呢就係
US.
一個大鷹做呢
The
個標
eagle
誌。
here
咁
symbolized
我
the
就
US.
寫一張
The
畫，
focal point of this painting,
啲
therefore,
隱晦咗
embody the concept
大麻
of
鷹喺
East
張畫裏
meets
邊
West.
就有些少呢個中西合一咁嘅感覺。
Continuing
好啦，
our
講咗呢一方
composition
面，
discussion,
咁我又講
I
下
have
其他嘅構圖
two
先。
pine trees here.
喺我嘅右手邊，我就寫
Rather
咗
than
兩
using a typical way
支呢
to
個
paint
松
pine
樹。
trees, I depicted
個
them
畫嘅
as
方法呢
seen
都唔
in
係
Penzai,
普通畫張一
a
個松樹
traditional
或者係咁樣。
Chinese
我畫嘅
gardening
方法呢就
art.
係用咗呢個松
One of
樹
them is
就
taller, while
寫
the
到佢
other
好似
is
呢個
shorter.
盆栽咁樣，好非常之優雅。一支係高少少，一支係低少少。
The two trees
兩個
have
松
different
針
pine
都
needles,
係不同嘅松針
suggesting
喺
they
度，
are
表
two
現咗
different
兩種
kinds
不
of
同
pine.
嘅松樹。
Tall and short contrast symbolize the yin and yang balance.
另外一方面呢，我就擠咗
Right
一個
here,
作者
I
作者
placed the
就呢啲好
author.
細嘅地方嚇
You have to
好
pay
細，
close
我要仔細啲
attention
去
in
睇
order
先
to
睇
see
到
him
有
standing
一個
on a
橋仔
bridge.
上邊，
He is
就
getting
一
ready
路
to
上一
climb
路
the
上，
mountain.
好高山大嶺咁樣。
On the other
咁
side,
另
I
外一邊
painted
呢，
a willow
我就
tree
寫咗一個
gracefully swaying in the
柳樹
wind.
喺度，柳樹好婀娜多姿嚇，
Right behind
再喺隔離咧
couple
就
of young bamboo
呢個
shoots
竹仔
next to
即係
a
竹樹
rock
嘅竹仔
formation.
咁就另外一個山勢啦落嚟。
Across the
咁就
water,
望過
a
去咧
few
望過
rocks
去呢度
along
望
the
過去咧
shore
就
and
用
some
幾個碎石
seagrass.
啦，然後擠幾筆呢個海草喺度，
Behind them,
然後一個
a
小小
small
嘅
cove
海灣，
with
小
a
小嘅
few
海灣。
trees.
我又擠咗少少嘅樹仔喺另外一邊，
Over
擠
here,
咗一
red
啲
and
紅
orange
色嘅呢個
flowers.
紅色、橙色代表個花啦，呢度咁樣。
Above that
再
are some
高少少，
clouds,
我就用一個配搭。
suggesting a soaring height.
表現呢度好高啦已經，咁我又擠咗幾張雲喺度啦，畫咗幾筆雲喺呢度。
Further up,
再高少
another
少，
peak.
去
If
到
you
呢個
pay
地方咧，
attention,
另外一
you'll
個山
see
一
a
個山勢
pine
啦。
tree.
另外一個山勢咧，
And next to that,
擠
a
咗一張
tiny hut,
松樹，
giving the
喺個山
audience
峰
the
上邊。
feeling of
有
a
一間
world
小
away.
嘅茅屋，小嘅茅屋啊！你話呢種嘅感覺，你話非常之田園嘅風味啦，可以講得。
Further
再
up,
高
we
少
have
少，
more
再高少
mountains
少，一
and
路已
peaks
經可以
that are
覺得
even
係話呢
higher
個
and
崇
more
山峻
remote.
嶺啦，越嚟越高，
Only birds can reach
兩隻雀
them,
仔，
suggesting
兩隻雀仔，
an
即係兩隻雀仔
awe-inspiring
振翅高
natural
飛
scene.
啊！呢種嘅氣勢咧就現咗出嚟啦。咁就
I
另
used
外一
two
方面咧
seals
就
for this
用咗
painting.
兩個印章，一個印章咧就寫住氣定神閒，另外一個印章咧寫個仁字，仁啊仁義道德嘅仁。
Here, a tiny fishing boat.
呢個
Fisherman is enjoying the freedom of sailing
船
to wherever he
裏邊
wants.
一個帆咁樣，幾自由咁樣航行緊。
This
咁呢個係
completes the composition
我嘅
discussion.
構圖係咁樣。同時我
Let
又
me
想
now
大
share
家
the
分
poem
享
with
下
you.
我呢張詩句嚇。咁就等我再讀出呢個詩句先。微風漸東上，散發走遠風。柳竹皆起舞，山紅分萬瀾。清溪引入蟲，白鳥為我伴。天字鐘鳴響，流水靜吾心。登高世吟唱，不變先凡間。道欲來相問，洗盡塵華夢。興罷指還歸，喜用在乎晚。
With this poem, I try to capture the artistic impression of this painting. I hope you enjoy this artwork.
多謝各位。
Thank you, everyone.